Driving in the United States as a foreigner. Tonight me there drink some soup. We are talking about driving in the US as a foreigner. Different side of the road. At a number one. And in my country, the roads are filled with potholes. But in the US, I hear that potholes are there, but I did not see any. The roads are smooth. I don't have to be looking down. I can just look straight ahead. Imagine
well, them not the camera room at them places.
250 miles. 200, yeah.
Flight right onto the US 50 West ramp, then merge onto US 50 West.
3 hours.
Hold on, so you can't see.
That's the distance driving from Maryland to New York. I did that a few times and you know, I was tired, but it was really great experience.
So hold on, is a different road, man?
Yeah, man. When you're out there driving, you know that.
Continue on US 50 West for 2 miles.
Man, memories of those drives. Big green bridge out there.
Oh, why I record them video, them supposed to in some of them too.
Yeah, man. First time driving on that big green bridge I was.
Set the license plate, at least some work for the front.
Well, entering the bridge I was scared. I'm there I say, oh, John, what am I going to do? No choice. I don't know if to turn back. So, I just have to go through with it. Imagine climbing up on that big green bridge, but I was scared, but you know, quickly the adrenaline. Replace the fear. I went across it and no big deal. Speaking of bridges, the Bay Bridge. It's one scary one. I think the Bay Bridges must be 18 miles long or something like that, you know. I don't even remember, but me I tell you. Scary experience, man. Bay Bridge. Nothing normal. The time when I was there foreign I drive most of the GPS guys they really know the place like that. Same drive again, Maryland to New York. Reach New Jersey now. Yeah, the GPS I say. Welcome to New Jersey. Here on the New Jersey Turnpike. I say something like continue for the next 100 miles. I mean I say 100 miles? Right, when me here in New Jersey, I say, yeah man, I soon reach 100 more miles. New Jersey Turnpike is come like one straight. I mean the road not really straight, but it feel like a one straight road, and yeah, do road until reach one of them bridge there enter New York with a Lincoln Bridge or say what one of them. The Lincoln Bridge name, I don't even remember. Man drive until they start to the tall buildings decorating the skyline over there in Manhattan. One other thing that is very, very important. I say the stop sign them. Stop sign them means stop here, sir. Speed, I get back to the stop sign them, you know. But and the speed limit, you better obey them because there are cameras everywhere. Police not for that, you know. The police that they look for you and tell us who them are. No. You Just know you're getting a ticket in the mail. Yeah, tell them say that you car them camera them so clean them all, snap all your picture through the car glass, through the windshield. So you better just obey the speed limit. And speaking of speed limit, you'll be driving one place and you see 25. By the time you look, it dropped to 15, then it up to 30, then you see 10, then you see, and you have to keep reading and adjusting your speed accordingly. So you see, for the people them I got foreign and can't read, I want to drive car and I got no problem. Yes, I got no problem. Alright, back to the stop sign them. Now, sometimes people driving in other places, they reach a stop sign and they probably slow down and claim say you can't see. That's what I hear some people say. I never do it. But the thing I find when it says stop, complete stop. Let me have a bridge in the foreign there, you know. But anytime you in the place and go pick up that man there. As the man jump in my car, man I tell me say, young, stop means stop. Even when me I got stop here, man I tell me say, yo, your office, hey, we all them man there, they sing that in my ears, you know. I when me left, I when I'm outside of the United States, even when I'm back home, when I get to a stop sign, I can hear this friend's voice reminding me to stop. And I tell me say, you see, if you don't stop, you're going to see a blue light appear out of nowhere. Or, in that case, you might just get a watch a chicken foot bone. I get a letter in the mail saying that you disappear the stop sign and you have to pay a portion of money. Speaking of paying a portion of money, the ticket price in a foreigner, I don't know now, but you know, 500 that. I mean, that's 5 bills. That sounds like about 180,000 Jamaican for one ticket. So you know who don't want to get no ticket in a foreign. Well, of course, they always adhere to the rules still, so I'm a good boy. Now I tell them on the thing scary. I remember one time, one of them Amazon truck there nearly run me off of the road, and coincidentally at the same New Jersey Turnpike. Let's say, without going into the full details, let's just say that the truck driver changed lanes without indicating. And me just driving a normal sedan, I had to take reversive action and take one myself, else I would not be here right now doing this video, sharing my experience about driving in the United States as a foreigner. It's scary, but it's nice. I'm on a big 4 and 5 lane road and them type of stuff, but still you have to adhere to the rules. One of the key things, you know, while I'm here talking, I just remember even the toll. Even the toll, you can pay later, man. Even if you don't have any money on your easy pass, you can pay later. Literally, they just send it in the mail. I just go on the website and pay. And like the toll out here where you have to have money. Even if you have a, I don't even know what the pass is called here in Jamaica, but even if you have a pass, there has to be money on the pass. If there is none on the pass, you're not going through. But in the United States, it doesn't work like that. They allow you to go through, and of course, you can always pay later. Have you ever had any experience driving in the US? Or do you live in the US? Drop a comment and let me know. And also, do you want to just remember something? One time driving in New York City, I got lost, or could I say almost got lost. If you want to hear about that experience and much more, drop a comment in the comment section and let me know. Just in time for the soup to finish. Another chicken foot. A little bit of soup there. You know what is this? A cinnamon leaf. Give the soup a bit more of a kick. You ever eat soup that have cinnamon in it? Cinnamon leaf. Well, anyway, I'm gonna dash with the cinnamon leaf. Anyway, looking forward to reading your comments. By the way, please subscribe to the channel. That's piece of beef, so you know, chicken foot and beef soup.